Yeah, so good evening. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Let's see audio video okay or not. Check audio video okay or not. Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Check everyone. Everyone check. Everyone check audio video okay or not. Yeah. So today is DSA new batch. It's a batch number. Batch number. I think it's a 3. DSA batch number 3. DSA batch number 3. So let me start. Let me start this one. Please let me know audio video okay or not. DSA new batch 3. Let me know audio video okay or not. Please verify. Please verify everyone. Everyone check one time. Everyone check one time. So that we can start. Yeah, I think it is a DSA batch 3. I think we can start. We can start now. Everything is ready. Everything ready. We can start now. DSA batch 3. Right? Let's write the date. I am writing the date also. Today's date. Today's date I think 29. 29 12 25. Right? This is the date. And one more thing is date is 29. So approximately, right? So it will complete algorithm, data structure, and programming. These 3 things will complete algorithm, programming, and data structure. These 3 will complete. These 3 topics will complete, right? Approximately, I can say, right, 2 months, 2 to 3 months, it will be complete. 2 months through 3 months, it will complete. You will be perfect in DSA within 2 to 3 months. Within 2 to 3 months, you are going to be perfect in the DSA. It is starting 29, 12, 25, right? So 2 to 3 months, it will be complete, right? Now let's see the syllabus. Let's see the syllabus, what we are going to cover, right? Let's see the syllabus. We are going to cover, right, in this particular course, algorithm first. First, we will complete the algorithm. Right? It will take approximately it will take, I can say 15 to 20 days. Algorithm will complete 15 to 20 days. Second one, programming will start. Programming will start. It will take approximately 10 days. Programming, so 10 days it will take. Third one, data structure. It will take 15 to 20 days. Algorithm 15 to 20 days, programming 10 days, data structure 15 to 20 days, right? So this is my planning, right? On an average, let's take this may be 30 days, right? Or maybe this may be 25 days. This is 10 days. This is 25 days on an average, if you see. So that is the reason I said to safe side, depending upon person. Some people may go slowly. So 2 to 3 months it will take. This course will take 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months you will be okay with the DSA, followed by, right? So 2 to 3 months, 2 months to, right? 2 months to 3 months, syllabus completion. Next one, 2 months to 3 months, practice. Right? So overall, right? Upper bound, I am saying within 5 months, 5 months to 6 months, you will be perfect with the DSA. 2 to 3 months syllabus completion, 2 to 3 months practice, totally within 5 to 6 months, right? You will be perfect with the DSA. So I given the right some right rough idea I given. I cannot say exactly. So my plan is 15 to 20 days DSA, 15 to 20 days algorithm, 10 days programming, 15 to 20 days data structure. So right, however this is my expectation. Sometimes what happened is it is going 25 days, 25 days for algorithm, 10 days for programming, data structure one more 25 days. So approximately if you see 2 months, so let's take the upper bound, 2 months to 3 months, right? Right, algorithm, data structure and programming syllabus will be completed. One more 2 months to 3 months practice, overall 5 months to 6 months, right? You will be perfect with the DSA. You are going to be DSA expert. You are going to be DSA expert. Try to understand, right? So let's see if any audio, video, any problem, any issue, let me know. I only know the basics of C language. I just want to know that which programming languages we will be using for this DSA competition, right? DSA completion. Thank you so much, Uttam, for asking. Right? Any language is okay, just syntax only differ. So majorly two languages we will concentrate here. Majorly two languages: C language and Python language. C and Python, two languages will be concentrated. But however, DSA don't need, right? DSA don't bother anything about language, just understanding right logics. DSA purpose is understanding the logics, right? If you learn DSA in one language, in another language it will become easy, right? You can go for it, you can go for C++, you can go for Java. Any language is okay, any language is okay, right? I basically will concentrate two things: C language and Python language. Mostly these two things I will concentrate. However, DSA don't bother anything about any language, just it will bother about only logics. What is merge sort, what is quick sort, what is heap sort, what is asymptotic notation, what is the time complexity, what is BFS DFS. You write what, right? You write the algorithm in whatever language you like. Next one, right, linked list, all the linked list problem, two pointer problem, sliding window problem, right? And next one is, so many techniques are there. Every technique we are going to cover, every technique we are going to cover, right? Perfect. Yeah, I think we can start now. Now we are going to concentrate algorithm. We are going to concentrate now algorithm, right? Let's say this algorithm we are going to concentrate. Write down everyone write. First subject is going to be algorithm. I'm starting now. Approximately from now onwards, within 2 months, you can complete the DSA course. Worst case, 3 months. Now I am starting, right? I think it is a 29. Let us assume that one only. Let us assume now one. So one, right? Next month one, algorithm will be over. Right? Next month, data structures also will be over. 2 months, algorithm data structure will be over. Worst case, 3 months. Right? Followed by 2 more months practice. Worst case, 3 months. Totally, within 5 to 6 months, you will be expert in the DSA. However, you have to work hard. If you work hard, then only it is possible. Otherwise, it is not possible. So algorithm, let's start now. Algorithm, right? Algorithm syllabus I am writing. First one, we are going to discuss in the algorithm subject. First one is going to be time complexity. We are going to cover time complexity. First one. That is the first one. Second one, we are going to cover asymptotic notation. We are going to cover asymptotic notation. Third one, right? First one is time complexity. Second one is asymptotic notation. Third one is going to be, right, after asymptotic, complexity classes. Complexity classes, right? Next one, fourth one, we are going to cover recursion. Fifth one, recurrence relation. Fifth one is recurrence relation. Sixth one. Recurrence relation solving. Recurrence relation solving. Seventh one, divide and conquer. Inside that first one, divide and conquer inside that first one. Divide and conquer inside that first one. Finding max min. Finding max min. I written shortcut max min 2. Second one is going to be power of an element. Power of an element. 3. Max min, power of an element. Binary search. Fourth one, max min, power of an element, binary search. Next one, merge sort. Fifth one, quick sort. Sixth one, selection procedure. Seventh one, counting inversions. Eighth one, contiguous subarray sum. Continuous subarray sum. Ninth one, Strassen's matrix multiplication. So these are for divide and conquer. Let's go for, I think this is the chapter number 4. Sorry, chapter number 7. Divide and conquer is the chapter number 7. Let's go to chapter number 8. In the 8, first one. 8, right? Greedy technique. Let me write now. 8, greedy technique. In that first one, knapsack problem. Second one, job sequencing with deadline. Third one, Huffman coding. Fourth one, third one is Huffman coding. Fourth one, optimal merge pattern. Right, that is the fourth one. Fifth one, let me write here. Fifth one, in the greedy technique. Fifth one, minimum cost spanning tree. Sixth one, fifth one is minimum cost spanning tree. Sixth one, single source shortest path. Right, sixth one is single source shortest path. Right, I think that's it. Right, so let's go to dynamic programming. I think it is the ninth one. Ninth one is dynamic programming. In that first one, Fibonacci series. Second one, first one Fibonacci series. Second one, LCS, longest common subsequence. Third one, matrix chain multiplication, MCM. Fourth one, 0 by 1 knapsack. Fifth one, sum of subsets. Sixth one, all pair shortest path. Yeah, I think these are enough. These are enough. These are enough. This is a part of the algorithm subject. These are part of algorithm subject. Total syllabus I written. Afterwards, we will go to data structure. First, let me write the algorithm I written. Algorithm, first one, we are going to cover time complexity. Second one, asymptotic notation. Third one, complexity classes. Fourth one, recursion. Fifth one, recurrence relation. Sixth one, recurrence relation solving. Seventh one, divide and conquer. In that, right? Right? It's a 7.1 maybe. 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4. 7.1 is max min. 7.2 power of an element. 7.3 binary search. 7.4 merge sort. 7.5 quick sort. 7.6 selection procedure. 7.7, right, inversions. 7.8 continuous aberration. 7.9 Strassen's matrix multiplication. Let's go to greedy technique. 8.1 knapsack problem. 8.2 job sequencing with deadline. 8.3 Huffman coding. 8.4 optimal match pattern. 8.5 minimum cost spanning tree. 8.6 single source shortest path. The dynamic programming. 9.1 Fibonacci. 9.2 longest common subsequence. 9.3 matrix chain multiplication. 9.4 0 by 1 knapsack. 9.5 sum of subsets. 9.6 all pair shortest path. So these are the things which we are going to cover. Right, first we will cover algorithm, then followed by programming, then followed by data structure. Let me know anyone having any objections. Small doubt also there, let me know. Sir, I have doubt. Just I said the syllabus. You just follow whatever class is going on, whatever I said in the classroom, please follow that. Class followed by. Any doubts are there, post in the doubt solving group. Any doubt is there, post in the doubt solving group. In the description, you will find out the doubt solving group. Please join that group. You can ask the doubts. Join the doubt solving group. Keep asking doubts. Join the doubt solving group. Please keep asking doubts. Right? If you struggle, right? So 4 to 6 months, DSA, you will become expert. Otherwise, you will lose many opportunities. And you will get the right internship certificate also. We will give the internship also. These 6 months we will do a lot of practice. 6 months we will do a lot of practice. We will give many assignments. If you complete all those assignments, you will get the internship certificate also. We are going to give, right, in the 6 months. In the 6 months, we are going to give approximately 30 assignments. We are going to give approximately 30 assignments. Right, in the 4 to 6 months, you are going to see 30 assignments will be there. If you complete all of them, you will get the internship certificate also. Every manner it is going to be useful to you. I request everyone, if you want to be a DSA expert, this course is very, right, this course is very much preferable. If you want to be expert in the DSA, this course is very much preferable. Try to understand. Within 4 to 6 months, you will be expert. 30 assignments you are going to do. If you complete 30 assignments nicely, you are going to get the internship certificate also. Right? I think this is the syllabus. I given the total syllabus: time complexity, asymptotic notation, complexity classes, recursion, recurrence relation, right? Recurrence relation solving, divide and conquer, greedy technique, dynamic programming, right? So I think most probably, if you observe clearly, right, all the topics combinedly, if you observe, there may be 40 topics are there. Total 40 topics in the algorithm. Algorithm contain 40 topics. We are going to cover 22, right? 20 to 25 days. Algorithm will be over. 40 topics in 20 to 25 days. In data structure, again 40 topics in 20 to 25 days. Right, you are going to be do very nice work. And one more thing I want to request everyone: there is a 80% offer going on. 80% offer going on. Please use it. 80% offer is going on. Please use it. Right, 80% offer is going on. Please use it. right? So syllabus also I said, some people are asking, sir, what books I have to follow, sir? Notes, if you follow, it's more than enough. Notes followed by doubt solving group. Notes followed by doubt solving group. Afterwards we will give 500 problems you have to practice. Afterwards we will give 500 problems you have to do practice. 500 problems, right? You are going to do practice, right? Careful everyone, right? So I think we can start it. Let me know if any objections at anywhere. So someone is saying, Uttam is saying that, respected sir, what will be the timing for these DSA sessions on YouTube? Right? I think Uttam, most probably, right, on the YouTube, you are going to see 5 lectures will be there. Remaining all will be done in the EPT. Remaining all will be there in the EPT. 5 lectures most probably will be done on the, right, on the YouTube. On the YouTube, we are going to provide sample. Sample we are going to provide on the YouTube, right? Remaining all the lectures will be done in the, right, EPT platform itself, right? So this is the only trailer purpose we are showing. We are not doing the total course on the YouTube, just only trailer. As I mentioned to you, 4 to 6 months you are going to, right, 4 to 6 months you are going to finish this course with very good practice. Also very good practice. 500 problems you are going to cover. 4 months to 6 months you are going to finish this course with 500 problems practice. If you do 500 problems practice followed by 30 assignments, if you do, you will get the internship certificate also. For algorithm, 40 topics are there. 20 to 25 days it will take. For a DSA, for a data structure also same, 40 topics. 20 to 25 days it will take. For a programming, 10 days. For a programming, 10 days. Right? Some programming language. Mostly I feel C or Python. Right? Language to language, only syntax will differ. Language to language, syntax will be differ. Right? And one more, as I mentioned to you, one nice offer going on, please utilize. If you want to be expert in the DSA, nice offer is going on, please use it. Right? Perfect. Let's start now then. Let's start now. I'm starting now. Right? So first one, right? Let's start. I'm starting the subject. Only some people are asking, sir, what is the procedure, sir? What is the procedure? First one, classes follow classes. Second, any doubts post in the doubts group. Doubts group use to clear doubts. This is the only step. This is the only thing what you have to do. Doubts group use to clear doubts. Worst case, if you need any book for algorithm purpose, there is a introduction to algorithm. One book is there. Introduction to algorithm. By Coreman. You can use it. Introduction to algorithm by Coreman. Right? This book, if you want, you can use it. But in my opinion, there is no need also. There is no need in my opinion. Introduction to algorithm by Coreman. Right? So first priority is classes. Second priority is doubts group used to clear doubts. Use doubts group to clear doubts. Introduction to algorithm by Coreman. 80% offer going on. You can use it. I think we can start now. Right? Write down the first thing. Time complexity finding. Yeah, first one is time complexity finding. So before going to that, our goal is time complexity finding only. Before going to that, let me say few basics. Right? Right? So write down now first. Algorithm definition. Algorithm definition. So I think it's better to say definition. Afterwards, we will go to the examples. In my opinion, algorithm subject is just started now. So I request everyone, please follow from now onwards. I'm giving date also. Today is 29, 12, 25. subject is started just now. Algorithm subject definition I am writing. Many definitions are there. See the definition. It is a, be careful from now onwards. It is a combination of, it is a combination of sequence of, it is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is the definition. So I'm repeating again. Today date is this. Algorithm subject, right? Algorithm subject just started now. Today date is 29/12/25. Algorithm definition I written on the board. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is the definition. So take one example. Take one example. Multiplication of two integers. Multiplication of two integers. That is right. That is the algorithm. First step. Take two integers. If you want to multiply two integers, first step, take two integers. Let us assume those may be, assume those are A and B. Right? Multiplication of two integers is the algorithm name. First step, take two integers. Assume A and B. Second step, multiply A and B and store in one more integer C. Third step is print C or return C. Print C or return C. That is the third step. End of the multiplication of two integers. End of the multiplication of two integers. If you want to multiply two integers, first step is take two integers. Let us assume those are A and B. Second step is multiply both of them and store in C. Third one is going to be return C. Right? So this is the one algorithm. Some people are asking, sir, how can you say it is an algorithm, sir? How can you say? See the definition. See the definition. It is a combination of, remember, combination means all compulsory. It is a combination of sequence of C. After one, second step will come. After second step, third step. Most probably order also not required. Order also required. Next one, finite steps. If you want, you can check 3 steps are there. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. Finite step. If you want, you can verify 3 steps are there. First step, second step, third step. Finally, it should solve a problem. At the end of the algorithm is it should solve a problem. And one more is it should contain finite steps. What is algorithm? Finite steps should be there. Finally, it should solve the problem. And one more thing is it's a combination. All statements are necessary. If you think that some statements are not necessary, will you return? It is a combination of all compulsory. Most probably order also important. After 1, 2. See, you cannot swap 1 and 2. Because how can you multiply A and B without taking? You cannot swap 2 and 3. Right? Without getting C, how can you return C? Right? You cannot swap 1 and 3. Without taking integers A and B, how can you get C? So mostly order is important. All compulsory, finite number of steps to solve a problem. Only for namesake, I'm writing the definition because I have to take care about all the people. Right? So algorithm definition I written. It is a combination of sequence of finite step to solve a problem followed by one example I given. Algorithm definition I written. Right? So let me know if anyone having any issue. Sir, I have this issue, sir. If you have issue, please let me know. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. If you have any issue, you let me know. I will help you. Check once. Everyone check. Just I started with the definition. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It's a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. right? So next one, right? Multiplication of two integers. Multiplication of two integers. I written one small algorithm. What is the first step? Take two integers a and b. So next one, what? Multiply a and b, store in C. Third one, return C. Take two integers a and b, multiply a and b, store in C, return C. Right? Do like this. Okay. I think in my opinion, you got it. Definition, you got little doubt also there. You ask, Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Uttam, if you have doubt, let me know. Just small definition I written. I given one example also. Small definition I written. I given one example also. Hello. Check once. Definition I written. I given one example. Okay, you are okay? Fine. If you okay, let's go to one more thing. Definition you written okay. What are the properties of algorithm? Let me write this also. Definition okay. What are the properties? Means what is the meaning? If something is an algorithm, what properties it should satisfy? Let me write now. Properties of algorithm. Properties of algorithm. Properties of algorithm. Right? One. Properties of algorithm. So someone saying that what is the meaning of properties? As per the definition, you written something and you are saying it is an algorithm. As per the definition, you written something and you are saying it is an algorithm. Right? Then important thing is what are the properties it should have. Right? First one. If it is an algorithm, it should terminate within finite time. First step. It should terminate. If something is algorithm, it should terminate within finite time. It should terminate within finite time. That is the first step. If someone said it is algorithm, it cannot go to infinite loop. It should terminate. If something is going infinite loop, it is not an algorithm. It should terminate within finite time. That is the first step. Second step. Within finite time, it should terminate. That is okay. Next one. It should produce at least one output. It should produce, right, at least one output. It should produce at least one output. Not only terminating, at least one output should be there. If no output, then why you written the algorithm? When someone say, I written the algorithm, you have to check these things. Is it terminating or not? Within finite time, is it terminating? Yes. Next one. Not only terminating, is it producing at least one output? Right? Third one. 3. Right? Third step. It is independent of programming language. It is independent of programming language. When you say algorithm, it is not based on the programming language. Right? In some programming languages, implementing this algorithm may be easy. In some programming languages, implementing this one may be a little difficult. But remember, algorithm is not based on the programming language. It is independent of programming language. It is independent of programming language. Fourth one, it is effective. It is effective in the sense, right? You may not write in your algorithm like this, something like this. X is equal to X. So, right? You no need to write X is equal to 1 into X. So, you no need to write X is equal to X plus 0. Unnecessary. These kind of things you can avoid. It is effective. Algorithm should be effective. Right? It should terminate within finite time. It should produce at least one output. It is independent of the programming language. It is effective. Remember, it is effective. Right? Fifth one. Anything else? If anyone want to comment, you can comment. Sir, I think, sir, this point is not clear. Sir, I think this point is not clear. Sir, this point you are not written. If you say, I will write. It should terminate within finite time. It should produce at least one output. It is independent of the programming language. It is effective. Next. Anything else? If anyone want to say any point? Verify. Sir, what are the properties? How can I say it is algorithm? Sir, I have something I want to say it is algorithm. I have something I want to say it is algorithm. What properties it should satisfy? What properties it should satisfy? I have a algorithm, right? I want to say, is it satisfying all properties or not? What do you verify? It should take, right? It should stop. It should produce at least one output. It is independent of programming language. It is effective. Anything else you want to say? Next one, let me write now. It is deterministic. When you say it is algorithm, it is deterministic. It is deterministic. In the sense, right, every statement in the algorithm is unambiguous. One line cannot have multiple meanings. One line cannot having multiple meanings. It is deterministic. It is deterministic. Means every line in the algorithm should have one meaning only. Right? One line having multiple meanings. Definitely, one algorithm will produce multiple answers. Then definitely no one will trust. Right? So suppose that you are saying to your friends so many ways. Same thing you are saying so many times. Sometimes you are saying yes, sometimes you are saying no, sometimes you are saying okay. Definitely they may not trust you. Right? When you are a small kid, right? So you used to play some lies. So you may see one small story also. Maybe your teachers or your parents used to say. So there is one person is there. His name is Razu. He went to the forest. In the forest, right? So he's going, right? He have some goats also. He is the one who will protect the goats and all. So, right, goats are eating and he is sitting beside the goats. Then what happened is, right, he said loudly, so mama, papa, please come and help. Right, one lion is came and eating the goats. Right, one lion is came and eating the goats. He is keep on saying little bit louder. Right, everyone running, everyone came. Then, right, they asked him, so where is the lion? Where lion is eating the goats? Then he said that, right, by a little bit laughing and all, he said that just I played for joke purpose. Then everyone said, are a mental fellow. So like that they scolded, they also laughed, they went. Right, next day also he said same. So mama, papa, all the people, please come. Lions came and eating the goats. Yesterday 10 people came. Now only 5 people came. They came and they asked the, right, that Razu, where is the lion? He said that just I played joke. Casually I played joke. Then I think some people shouted, 1 or 2 people laugh and they went. Now third day also he done the same. Third day only 1 or 2 people came and they shouted, they went. Fourth day also he done same. No one is came. But interesting thing is line is came. People not came, but line is came. What I mean to say is, if your statement is having ambiguity, then you will become a liar. So no one will believe you. Same thing like this. Non-deterministic algorithm, no one will believe. Deterministic algorithm will believe because one meaning only. So Raju saying different days, different meanings. One day, come, line is eating. No line is eating. So next day, come, line is eating. Right? No line is eating. But third day or fourth day, line is eating. He's saying line is eating. No one is came to protect. So what I want to say is, in algorithm, every statement should be deterministic. So these are the properties of algorithm. So today I covered the definition. And I covered the algorithm properties also. These are the properties. If you want to say something is an algorithm, right? These rules, right? These particular properties, they should hold good. Right? Tomorrow, as soon as we start, we are going to finish approximately 30 problems. We are going to finish 30 problems on the time complexity. Tomorrow, this time, you are going to solve many problems on the time complexity. Right? So I request everyone, if you serious, right? So 80% is offer going on, please utilize. But remember, remember everyone, within 4 to 6 months, you will become expert in the algorithm. We are going to give 30 assignments. right? We are going to cover approximately algorithm, data structure, and programming combinedly. 100 topics we are going to cover, right? Within 2 to 3 months, 100 topics we cover. 500 problems we'll cover in the remaining 2 to 3 months. Then you will be expert in the algorithm subject, right? So I hope everything is fine. Yeah, so just I started the definition followed by properties. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm signing off. Bye. See you in tomorrow's class. Bye bye. Good night. I'm signing off. Bye. Little doubt also there. Sir, Reddy sir, I have some doubt, sir. If anyone say, Reddy sir, I have some doubt. If you say, sir, I have some doubt, you can ping me. This is our WhatsApp number. You just ping us. We are going to help you. It's a WhatsApp number. You can clarify your doubts, then only you can join. Clarify your doubts, then only you can join. At the batch number 3, I think so. Batch number 3. DSA new batch 3. Right, it started 29/12/25. Batch number 3 started. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Right? Sorry, 2 months to 3 months. Syllabus will be over. 2 months to 3 months. One more 2 months to 3 months. Practice also will be over. You will be expert. Fine. Tomorrow we are going to cover time complexity. Today, just because of starting class, just I completed the definition. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.